What's happening, y'all, boy? Red 2 times back for another video, man. But as y'all can see by the caption, we getting a new intake for my car, cause my car right now got a bad intake. So I'm probably losing like 100 to 100 horsepower. I mean, 100 to 150 horsepower, man, cause it has so much leaks, so much problems with it. So we just gotta get it fixed. But y'all gotta bear with me, man. I'm tired right now, bro. Like, it's like 5:30 in the morning. We gotta drive all the way to North Carolina, like 3.5 hours just to go get it. Me and Pop's about to ride down there. Got my bag with me. About to get the tools set up in the car right now. And yeah, we about to just go get it, you know what I'm saying? We gotta go get it off another car, so taking a chance. But once I get it, we should get about 100 to 150 more horsepower back to what it is, back to what it was stock, and maybe a little bit more, cause it's a different intake. So we can see how it goes. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna update y'all on the way. Let's go. Man, look, it's still dark outside, man. That's how you know we up too early. But look, man, she running right now, warming up for this road trip. She don't even sound powerful like she used to, but she still sounds good. Look at Pop's car right here. Riding on the 26, murdered out, presidential. But yeah, look, we got the tools all packed up in the back, everything we need. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the intake in case y'all don't know what it is. This thing right here. So we're gonna take this off and get a new one. It got all kind of leaks around the edges. The intake just bad, man. Like, it's horrible. So yeah, we about to go get that right now. I'm gonna update y'all. Let's go. We done touched down. Intake somewhere out there. Look at all these tools, man. You about to carry them in by yourself. You know, leave their dog. Someone gonna leave their dog in the car, man.
Come on, no electronic.
Let's go. Go, man. This one look better than the one in Charleston. They look cleaner than the one in Charleston. We gotta find the car now, man. We out here.
You talking about kind of car?
We out here, man. He set up by this porta potty and turn the left. It's the road that the car's on. It's on this road. It's 32. It's the car right here. We gotta get this off. It look bad right now, but it's good. In good condition. Gotta take this off. Gotta take all these gas pumps off. Yank that thing up out of there. But this car beat up though. But we gonna use them parts though, for sure.
Doing that thing.
Intake off. Got it right here. look there right now, but we about to clean that thing up.
It's probably good too.
Just throttle body. Oh, it's good though, so we don't even need that.
Throw it back up there. I don't need that time for it. I don't need that time for that.
Hey, bro, if you seen this video and this is your car, whatever that IG name is, you mess your car up, bro. What you do to it, man? Got the intake back there. Right there. Got the tools packed back up. Man, we just get home, man. It's about 8:30, man. I'm tired, but we about to clean it up. We about to wait till tomorrow to put it on in the morning because it's about to get dark and I ain't gonna be able to record. So, about to tune your boy in the night, tune your boy in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Getting that thing clean, boy. Look how clean that is. We got the old intake manifold off, man. Everything under here cleaned up. Got the ports, they all cleaned up. It's the old intake right here. Piece of junk. Everything open, closed. It's a new one right here, got it all cleaned up. Ready to go on there, man. Got the PVC hooked up. Everything hooked up, ready to go on there. So everything ready, we just gotta set it on there, hook everything up. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna come back first, crank up, see how it runs. Y'all gonna see it first, just like me. New intake, man. Yes, sir. Big cold start. Sound way better. That's new. That's normal. Getting all that gunk out. That's normal. She can start running right in a minute. See the smoke going away now. Yeah. That thing running strong, boy. That thing running. Share, subscribe, all that, man. 2 times gang out, man.